Hey everyone, and welcome back to LGT Scholars. What if I told you that you could live in Europe for 5 months, earn 1,493 euros per month, and work at a very center of the European Union's policy making? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's real. That opportunity exists through the Blue Book Traineeship, one of the most prestigious and competitive internship programs globally. In this video, we will cover what the program is and what makes it so valuable, the incredible benefits you will receive, who qualifies and how to apply, a step-by-step application walkthrough, what happens after you submit your application, frequently asked questions that students always ask, pro tips to maximize your selection chances. Stick around till the end because this could be your golden ticket to an international career. So what is the Blue Book Traineeship? The Blue Book Traineeship is a fully paid 5-month internship with the European Commission which is hosted in Brussels or Luxembourg. It's officially called the Traineeship Scheme of the European Commission, and the name Blue Book comes from the historical blue folder once used to announce selected trainees. You are not there to make coffee, you will be doing essential work such as conducting policy research and drafting reports, working in international relations, law, or communications, handling media outreach, translation, or project management, supporting initiatives in climate change, digital policy, health. This traineeship runs 2 sessions annually. The first one is October to February, which starts from October 1st, 2025 to February 28, 2026. And the second one is March to July, which starts from March 1st, 2026 to July 31, 2026. These placements are inside multiple commission bodies, including Directorate General Services and Commissioners' Cabinets. What makes it so valuable? Here are the standout reasons. Monthly stipend, which is 1,493 euros, enough to comfortably cover expenses in Brussels or Luxembourg. Travel and visa cost, fully reimbursed if your initial application is approved. Health insurance, covered through either the EHIC card or commission arrangements. Cultural exchange, work with individuals from over 100 countries. Powerful boost to your CV. A European Commission internship open careers in UN, OECD, World Bank, public policy and diplomacy. This is not observational, it's a real professional assignment tightly linked to institutional work. Here is the eligibility criteria of this traineeship. You are eligible if you meet these criteria. The first one is your education. Completed 3 years of higher education, bachelor's levels, or hold a full degree of bachelor's, master's, or PhD. Experience. No more than 6 weeks of prior experience at any European institution. Languages. For administrative roles, you must speak 2 European languages, typically one at C1 or C2, another at least B2. For translation roles, translation into your mother tongue from 2 European languages is required. Nationality. Open to European citizens and non-European nationals from countries like Pakistan, India, Latin America, and beyond. Selection is totally merit-based. So here is the application timeline. For March 2026 session, apply between mid-July and late August 2025. After you apply, pre-selection happens around 4 to 6 weeks later, followed by final assignment months prior to actual traineeship start. For example, application opens at 15th of July 2025 and the application deadline is 29 August 2025. So the pre-selection will be made from September to November 2025. Placement offers at December 2025 to February 2026. Here is a pro tip for you. Apply early, system tends to crash near the cutoff. So how to apply in this traineeship? Here is the exact process to follow. Set up an European login account on the official traineeship portal. Complete the online form with your personal, educational, and language details. Write a motivation statement up to 1200 characters explaining why you want the traineeship, your aspiration, and how you will contribute. Uploading supporting documents such as your degree, transcript, language certification, ID, passport, and reference if any. Submit before the deadline and monitor your application. If shortlisted, your profile entered the European Commission's Blue Book database. Department may then contact you for interviewing and placement. Your preparation at step number 3, especially the motivation letter, can make or break your selection. So what happens after you apply? Once shortlisted, you are notified and officially added to Blue Book pool. European departments begin reviewing candidates' profile and selecting trainings. If offered a placement, you will receive an official offer letter. First stipend is typically paid within 4 weeks of arrival. Accommodation is not provided. Most trainees use Facebook groups, trainees committees, or housing platforms to find shared flats. Working hours are standard 40 hours per week with 2 paid leaves. There's no rigid dress code, but professional attire is expected. Here is some frequently asked questions of yours. Do I need IELTS? No. Language is self-declared and assessed via your documentation. Can I reapply if I am not selected? Absolutely. Many successful applicants try 2 or 3 times. Can I bring family along? Not through the program. You can apply independently for visas if needed. Is remote work allowed? No, it's strictly in person due to legal and logistical rules. How competitive is it? Roughly 2,500 to 3,000 candidates are shortlisted and about 650 to 1,000 receive placements. That's a 3 to 5% success rate, competitive but achievable. Why this traineeship is valuable? This traineeship offers a fully funded 5-month stay in Europe, first-hand insight into European policy making and global governance, a chance to build a global network with policymakers, diplomats, and tech experts. Major boost on your resume, often leading to roles in international organization, academia, and leadership position worldwide. Here are the some pro tips for a stronger application. Apply well before the deadline, avoid last-minute tech failures. Make sure your motivation letter will be personal, precise, and aligned with European values. Highlight any leadership, volunteering, research, or international project experience. Have all your documents validated, scanned, and ready beforehand. If rejected, don't give up. Persistence pays. Many successful candidates get selected on their second or third try. That was your complete up-to-date guide to the Blue Book Traineeship 2025 to 2026. If you are excited about this chance, let us know in the comments below. Interested in the OECD internships, UN trainee programs, or World Bank young professionals? Drop your ideas too. Be sure to subscribe to LGT Scholars for more updates on scholarships, internships, and global opportunities. Thanks for watching and all the best with your application.